Alright, time for the solutions for the determinants of matrices work here. To get the determinant of each of these, you need to take the main diagonal items and times them together. And then you subtract the other diagonal items times together. So this first one's going to give me 0. The second one is going to give me positive 24. So 0 minus 24 is going to give me negative 24. And there's number 1. You're going to take the main diagonal, times them together. Apparently my stylus is freaking out. And you got to subtract the other ones times together. So you'll get negative 50 minus 0, which is negative 50. On 3, take your main diagonal. That's negative 9 times negative 10. And subtract the other diagonal times together. Negative 9 times negative 10 is 90. I need to subtract negative 7 times negative 9. It gives you 63 positive. So 90 minus 63 is going to give you 27. And then moving on to 4, take the main diagonal times together. You got to subtract the other diagonal times together. And we'll get 30 minus 63, which is going to give me negative 33. Moving on to 5, take your main diagonal times together. Take your other diagonal times together. And then subtract the other one from the original one. That's times, not subtract. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. So 30 minus 18 is going to give you 12. Moving on to 6. Negative 1 times 0. Subtract 5 times 8. 0, so you're going to have 0 minus 40. Which is going to be negative 40. And moving on to our last two, you do 2 times negative 7 and subtract 7 times negative 2. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. We need to subtract 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. So negative 14 minus negative 14 is going to give you 0. And then our last one on the front, and you do 8 times 9, and subtract the other diagonal times together, negative 10 times negative 6. 8 times 9 is 72. Negative 10 times negative 6 is positive 60. So we got 72 minus 60 is going to give us 12. And that's the entire front side. When you get to the back, use your calculator. You just put that into your calculator in the matrix menu, get out of everything, then use the DET function. And you put whatever matrix you put, whatever the name of the matrix was that you edited to be that. And then you push equals, and it'll give you these numbers. And you just do that for each one of these. 9 is 12, 10 is 39, 14 is 647, 15 is negative 103. On 11, you get 76. 12, you get negative 161. 16, you'll get negative 800. And on 17, you'll get negative 24. And on the last two, you'll get 200 for 13 and 39 for 18. And that's the whole assignment.